Hi guys, welcome to a Fortnite glitch tutorial number 1, where today we're showing you the shopping cart drive it without a driver glitch. So first you have to be in the passenger seat, and then you have to have a really fast shooting gun like an SMG, and you have to do this. So whichever way you want it to go, just shoot on the noms sign, like this. Oh no, I ran out of ammo, but yeah, you can do this with miniguns. It's better to do it with miniguns, just because they shoot faster, and they don't reload. You don't need, they don't reload that much, so yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye. Alright guys, bye.